Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about standing forward bend, or in Sanskrit it is known as Uttanasana. I frequently hear people say things like, I can't even touch my toes, so I definitely can't do yoga. This is a common misconception, and actually the approach in standing forward bend teaches us just the opposite. We start by touching our toes or supporting our hands somewhere near them. So ultimately, we learn that it is better to have a straight spine than straight legs in standing forward bend, and really in most forward bending postures. This is because all of the poses are really intended to free up the spine, since our spine is technically our tree of life and the main center of mobility in our body. Now that we understand the intention of the pose a bit more, let's give it a try. Start by bringing your feet sitting bone distance apart. A great way to measure this is by placing two fists between your feet. Next, bend your knees until your torso is draped over your thighs. Check in and make sure you feel the length in your spine. You can rest your fingers on the ground, support them on blocks or anything that you have around you, or you can hold opposite elbows to encourage gravity to lengthen your spine and deepen your stretch. Let your head hang heavy and try to shift some weight to the balls of your feet so that your heels only bear about 40% of your weight. This will align your hips over your heels and take pressure out of the hamstrings. To progress in the pose, and as your hamstrings become more open over time, you can work on making the legs straighter without letting the back round. The moment your belly comes unglued from your thighs, you've gone too far. Take a few breaths in this pose and return upright slowly so you don't get lightheaded. I hope this helped you to gain a better understanding of standing forward bend. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.